g, 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 g. Hello everyone. Welcome to Angel Phonics. Today we are going to learn the sound of letter G. It sounds g, 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 g. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Gail. Gail is staying with her grandmother who has a big garden and keeps some animals. This morning, Gail and Gran went outside to check on the goat and the geese. While they were outside, Gail found a frog next to the water bucket. She watched it hop off under the gate. When they came in, Gran sent Gail to the bathroom to have a wash. Gail put the plug in the sink, filled the basin and washed her hands and face. But when she pulls the plug out, the water didn't go away. Her grandmother came to have a look. "Oh dear, the sink must be blocked," she said. Gran phoned the plumber. When he arrived, the plumber unblocked the sink and the water ran gurgling out of the basin. G, 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 g. Let's do the action. Look at the picture. Spiral your hand down as if water is gurgling down a drain and say g, 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 g. Move your hand. Do it again. G, 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 g. Very good. Now let's sing a song so that we will learn this sound better. Alright? First, just listen, no singing, okay? The song goes like this. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g, 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 g. Can you say la la with me? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la g, 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 g. Let us sing together. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g, 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 g. Excellent. Now I want you to think of the sound that you will hear and tell me what is it. Begins with the sound g, g. The first one, think, what sound is that? Goat. Yes, very good. G, g, goat. Next, listen to the sound again. Is that a boy or a girl?
Hello, hello.
Girl. Yes, g, g, girl. Gun. Yes, g, g, gun. Next, what are we going to do now? Again, I want you to think, okay? What do you used to take for your friend when you go for their birthday party? Begins with g, g. Gift. Yes, very good. G, g, gift. Now tell me what fruit begins with the sound g, g. Grapes. Yes, g, g, grapes. Now again think, what is that we have is the entrance to the compound of our house. Gate, yes, gate. Next, tell me what plant that you have in your garden begins with g, g, g. Grass, yes, g, g, grass. Excellent. Now let's say the sound again. G, 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 g. Wow, you've learned the sound of letter G, right? G, g, g. I'm so glad for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Until next time, bye bye.